TC minus TVC, or TFC is equal to AFC into Q. EFC into Q. Now capital C. TVC is equal to TC minus TFC. TVC is equal to AVC into Q. TVC is equal to sigma MC. Next, MCN is equal to TVCN minus 1. MCN is equal to TCN minus 1. Or you can write MC is equal to delta TVC on delta Q. Is it visible or not? Yes. See. Or MC is equal to delta TVC divided by delta Q. Next, AFC. TFC divided by Q. AFC is equal to AC minus ABC. F, A, B, C, D, E, F. Now ABC. TVC divided by Q. Or ABC is equal to AC minus AFC. AC is equal to AFC plus ABC. Or AC is equal to TC upon Q. So please note down these formulas. Then after we will discuss some numerical questions of means this chapter. So please pause the video and note down this. Write this note. Note 1. At 0 level of output. 0 level of output. Always remember, or you can say TC is equal to TFC. TC is equal to TFC. Now, note 2. Firstly, to solve means to solve numerical questions of this chapter. Firstly, you will calculate total fixed cost. Firstly, you will calculate total fixed cost. Pause the video, note down this. See, now practical or you can say numerical questions of this chapter. See, type 1. Calculate total fixed cost and total variable cost, means TFC and TVC. Always remember, means we have discussed, or you can say we have written, means one note 2. See, please in your formula see note 2. See note 2 means first of all to solve numerical questions of this chapter. Again I am repeating, to solve numerical questions of this chapter, firstly always remember, firstly we will calculate TFC, means total fixed cost. See, now you know that, see, at zero level of output, TC is equal to TFC. See, at zero level of output, TC is rupee 40. TC is equal to rupee 40. It means TFC will be 40. See, at zero level of output, TC is equal to TFC. See, at zero level of output, TC is equal to 40. It means TFC will be 40. And you know that TFC remains constant at all levels of output. So means you will take 40 at all levels of output, because you know that TFC remains constant at all levels of output. So I hope all of you have understood. Always remember, first of all we will calculate TFC, means total fixed cost, to solve any type of numerical question of this chapter. See, now after this, now we have calculated TFC here. Now total variable cost. See, you know that, see, what are the formula of TVC? TVC is equal to either ABC into Q or TVC is equal to TC minus TFC or TVC is equal to sigma MC. See, ABC is not given in this question, MC is not given here, but see, TFC, see, TC is given here, and or you can say TC is here and TFC is also here. TFC is also here. So we will use this formula, means we will use this formula. See, TVC is equal to TC minus TFC. TC minus TFC. TC minus TFC means 0, 60, 80, 90, means 110, 150. So I hope all of you have understood how will you solve, means numerical question of this chapter. But means, see, type first means, always remember, first of all you will calculate TFC. By using this point. Type first means you will calculate TFC by using this point, means at zero level of output, TC is equal to TFC. At zero level of output, TC is here 40, so TFC will be 40 at all levels of output. Then after you will calculate TVC. So I hope all of you have understood. Please pause the video and note down this. See, question number 2 means question number 2 of type 1. Again calculate total fixed cost and total variable cost. Again, always remember, first of all, you will calculate total fixed cost. Total fixed cost. See, at zero level of output, TC is 50 here. TC is 50 here. It means, or you know that at zero level of output, TC is equal to TFC. At zero level of output, TC is equal to TFC. It means TFC will be 50 here. At zero level of output, TC is equal to TFC, means TC is here 50. It means TFC will be 50. And you know that at all levels of output, TFC will remain same. 50, 50. So I hope all of you have understood how will you calculate value of TFC. Value of TFC in type 1. Now, after this, I am going to find, or you can say, means we have to find TFC. Oh, sorry, we have to find TVC. See, now TC is, see, TC is here and TFC is here. TC is here, TFC is here. So I will use this formula, TC minus TFC. TVC is equal to TC minus TFC. TC minus TFC. 0, 20, 35, 60, 100, 145 and 190 to 30. So I hope all of you have understood how will you calculate, means a numerical question of type 1. So please pause the video and note down this.